out here in this cold wind. Trying to make up for our mistake we made yesterday letting that big girl swim. This one ain't gonna do it for us. That's a baby. That's just a baby. Watch those rods, watch those rods. Woo. Barely hooked. Magic hook. Alright, we broke the ice. We've been fishing water about 10 minutes.
Yep.
15 at the most. Oh Lord, my fingers are frozen, guys. My hot hands don't even feel hot when I hold on to them. Alright guys, it's getting freezing cold out here. This wind killing us. What happened?
Anyone underwater?
Keep an eye on which one, the outside or the inside? We'll give it a minute and we'll have to bring it in. What I do is I'll start reeling that. You start reeling it and let it keep sailing over that way, and I'll start letting that one out. Then we'll bring it in. I'll make that one the outside, bring it to the inside, and we'll check the blue. So leave it there for a minute. It might just all of a sudden go down. Oh, look at the screen! Look at the screen! Come on, baby! 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 He's on, but he ain't no big one. Good God. Where's your mama at, young man? Where's your mama at? She at the grocery store. Go get that. It's the Flintstone. You calm down, young lady, and we'll let you go. It's a monster! Monster! Whew. God, we need your daddy or your mama or your big sister. Pull it that way. Going? See the line? I need to reel this one in. Butterbean. Ooh, the sun's coming out, boys. The thing about these mini Macs, boy, the damn customers trips over before they get the fish reeled in. Striper? That's a striper diaper, guys. Ain't no 7.5. You gotta get 7.5. Oh, that's a high one. Ooh. That's a fatty. Here, just grab the line. That's a fatty. Throw that to the camera. Oh, look at all the fish down there, Sam. Good God almighty, great balls of Friday. Butterbean. Little butterbean. Sammy catching the butterbeans today. I think that's number 6, Sammy. Me and Sammy always talk about counting them, and we always forget how many we caught. I got one of those counter clickers. I don't know where it's at. They only like $5. I'm going to buy another one. Get it on the boat. But you know what's going to happen? Me and Sammy can't remember nothing. We ain't going to remember to click it when we catch a fish. That's okay.